If you need help with your P sound, that's all right. Check out my video before you get started with your practice. We're going to practice P in the first part of one of the words with sentences. Just repeat after me. I dropped the paddle. You earned so many patches. I work out with a punching bag. There are tons of peaches. What a great pitch! Let's go to the pumpkin patch. I have a pink couch. There are 5 points on a star. Point with your finger. Now let's practice P in the middle of one of the words with our sentences. Let's do it. This is the best chapter. You can hear the grasshoppers at night. I know all of my shapes. Let's carve a pumpkin. The baby has a clean diaper. An octopus has 8 legs. We slept in the teepee. The teapot is very hot. Pull up your zipper. Write on the paper. Let's practice P in sentences, but this time the P will be the last sound you hear. Take the trash to the dump. This cape can help you fly. Please clean the cup. Tie the rope into a knot. I count sheep to fall asleep. Let's find the treasure on this map. Time for your nap. I love ketchup on my fries. The ape is big. Her lip color is red. Great job working hard. Keep it up. I'll see you soon. Bye!